Hello guys, good morning. Today we are making Brownie Christmas Tree made of box brownies. First, put your brownie mix in a large mixing bowl and make a well in the middle. Add in the egg, oil, water, and the egg yolks. Mix completely using a spatula and then make sure that you don't overmix it. Just make sure to mix it until there are no lumps present. Transfer the batter in a prepared pan and make sure to level it out and tap it in a flat surface to remove the bubbles. Place a cooling rack on top of the pan and flip the pan upside down in order to remove the cake. And make sure to completely cool it down before you slice it. Now you're ready to slice the brownies into 3 segments. And please go to the blog for the reference. Now you are ready to decorate. You can embellish your tree however you like it. You can use a different color, sprinkles. You can put a chunk on it using a candy cane. Do whatever you want. This is really fun. I hope you enjoy this very easy recipe. Merry Christmas!